of Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas is the traditional phrase used during the Christmas season to wish each other. This is a highly popular slogan found on the greeting cards. Quite strangely, there are mixed notions regarding the relevance of this expression to commemorate the joy of celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ. What those who approve and disapprove this expression say are worth noting in this context to understand the true meaning and purport of this expression. It's the season to be jolly. Christmas is the season to be jolly. The Christmas season brings with it the merriment of decorating with red and green hangings, silver bells, holly, colorful lights, mistletoe, and a whole lot of others, exchange of greetings and wishes, and rejoicing in gifts and festivities. As you walk along the departmental stores, you hear those dressed up like Santa yelling the universal wish, Merry Christmas. But we need to examine what this world-famous phrase actually means. The true meaning of Merry Christmas. The meaning of the word merry has changed since historic times, but today it means to be happy, light in the heart, and joyful. Actually, the word merry aptly fits into the ambience of fun and laughter. Therefore, many people feel this word does not go well with Christmas, though it is popularly used so. The word Christmas comes from Christus Messe, the phrase which suggests Mass of Christ. While the true definition of Christmas would mean the death of Jesus, the subscribers to this view ask, is it appropriate to call the suffering of Christ as an occasion of merriment? The term merry in the ancient context. Merriment during Christmas is perceived at its best from the famous English carol, God Rest Ye Merry Gentlemen. This carol was first published in Christmas Carols, Ancient and Modern in 1833, compiled by Sandys. It is viewed that the carol wished that the gentlemen enjoyed a sense of repose and peace on the occasion commemorating the birth of Christ. However, note that here the term suggests merriment in the ancient context of peace and rest, and not in the merriment of the modern day context of the word. The changing views towards Merry Christmas. The first ever commercially available Christmas card, printed in 1843, contains this famous verse, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. However, the formal way of using Merry Christmas to convey seasonal salutation was noted in the letter sent by John Fisher addressed to Thomas Cromwell, dated 22nd September 1534. Is it right to say Merry Christmas? As seen from the examples discussed from history, the expression Merry Christmas is an age-old phrase for greeting during Christmas. So that's what we should use. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.